this work.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a...
What is that? Is that Wilbur?
And a happy...
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to another vlog. Welcome back to Vlogmas. I am officially starting it slightly later. Oh, smiling at me. No, you're not having the controller. Mummy's watching TV. You watch, you don't fall backwards. So, yeah, we popped out to the garden centre earlier today. Don't fall. And we are now just chilling. Nellie is meant to be asleep. She's been awake for a good 4.5 hours. But apart from she is pulling my phone, she's decided that she doesn't want to sleep right now. So we're whinging. But I'm just going to watch a little bit more of I'm a Celeb. And then I'm going to try and put her down to bed again. She's already stolen my chocolate box, which is wonderful. Wonderful. So yeah, wish me luck. This could be the shortest vlog in the world because I can't do anything because she won't sleep. So wish me luck. Well, after 5 hours of being awake, Nellie is finally down for her nap, which I'm so pleased about. And actually it might work out okay because she'll only get 1 nap today instead of 2, but it might be like the right time. So who knows, maybe she's trying to transition into having 1 nap. I don't think so, but she might be, you never know. However, can I just point out this is now the extent of my living room that I've now got to sort out. She emptied the nappy caddy as a last hurrah before I put her to bed. And we've got like cotton balls everywhere, nappies everywhere, cream, snot sucker, toys. Like, yeah. And I mean, to be fair, this is all the stuff that I've kind of like was hoping to sort out when she went down for a nap the first time, which didn't happen. So I had to like pile everything up here so she couldn't get it. So on top of all of that on the floor, I've also got all of this to sort out as well, which is not fun.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend